Today we're going to do a quick overview on the RENOGY DC to DC converter. They claim it's bi-directional 12 volt 24, 2412. That is very cool indeed. And it also has a built-in MPPT. Let's have a look and see what we're dealing with. Somebody's always got a spot for that. Nice sticker. E-warranty card. Manual. I'm not going to go into that too much detail. I'm sure there's a PDF download online. They do claim a IP67 rating, which is very nice. We'll have a look at that later, see if we can, have a quick look inside. And there it is, basic foam packaging. Plastic bag wrapper. Solid, heavy, probably around 4 pounds. Don't have a scale on me, but we'll check it out. End cap screws, mode selection. I'm guessing the app is a better way to set this thing up. This end. Communication ports, proprietary connector by the looks of it for RENOGY equipment. Cabling. It appears to be 10 gauge wire. It is not silicone wire. You can see somewhere in there 10 gauge. Pre-cut. It is tin plated, but not silicone jacketed, which would be really nice, make it more flexible. It is fine stranded, copper, tin plated. All right, let's get into it. And we got an accessory here, which appears to be a temperature sensor and screws. Comes with these lugs, temperature sensor, ridiculously long wire. Not going to stretch it out, but imagine around 6 feet. Nice tin plated lugs. The hole size is 3/16 as it appears on the scale here. Or for anyone wanting the number, 14-5, no UL or CSA listing. All right, let's get to it. Dimensions. With what appears to be a Bluetooth dongle to here, so the tightest area I could possibly squeeze in is about 9 inches. The box itself is 7, so leaving a little room for wires to come out. And height wise, 5 inches to the bracket. The bracket is easily removed. We'll look at that in a second. Wires out, negative, red alternator, and then yellow must be PV plus. There we go. Very simple. All right. Screws in the end, we're not going to get into those. Screws in the end, we're not going to get into those. Let's start on the bottom. They claim to have IP67 rating, so we'll have a look at that. We shall see. This plate appears to be steel, and if I had to guess, maybe 14 gauge. Rough measurement about 1/16 thick. All right, the inside, the glory. So it is epoxy resin casted electronics board. There's the LEDs on the end here. They just kind of shine through that. Surface mount through the diffuser, whatever that may be. Some of this goop for the Bluetooth module hanging out. That is nice. Better Bluetooth signal range. And we have our buck boost inductor coils here. That's at least my guessing. And very nice conformal coating. All the inductors. One little bit of a concern I do have is this wire coming through here. Just heat shrink and then through the slot there, so may not be the best design. Grommet so it would have been better than heat shrink. So you pull it out a little bit, so you can see some pressure marks there on the heat shrink. You want to secure it nicely so there's no movement and vibration that could easily wear through there. But yeah, that's really all there is inside. Looks like some heat shrink where the wires come off the circuit board, and then resin casted the whole electronics. More goop here where these connectors are in. And that's that. Very nice. Can't wait to test it out. Oh, forgot to measure the thickness. Sorry, let's go this way. The thickness without the base plate is 1 3/8. With the base plate, a mere 1.5 inches. It has a little bend on it, so that brings it up. In space constraint areas, this plate cannot be mounted inwards, but I'm going to put this inside a battery box, and I'll customize a base plate and mount it just like so, and that's going to be the new floor plate. So yeah, future video to come on that, hopefully. Can't wait to try this thing out.